Hi there, and for this video, we're gonna show you how to fix the content not accessible error on Roblox. This is when you see an error code that says, to access this experience, you must first update your content maturity settings. And the way to do that is to simply go to the top right to the settings. Now go to privacy and content maturity, and set it to moderate. I think by default it may be from mild. When you go to moderate, it will show automatically that it has been saved. Now, if you want to go to restricted, you have to make sure that over in account info, that your phone number is verified along with your email address, of course. The reason why my phone number can't be verified is because I am currently in one of the unsupported countries. However, that shouldn't be a problem in your case. For example, add a phone and you can simply choose from the supported countries here, and you should be good. Again, there isn't really a lot of restricted content to begin with, so if you set your content maturity to moderate, you should be able to access most of the experiences that you are trying to access. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.